Are you thinking about that next RV upgrade? Well, Ann and I head on to Walnut Ridge Family RV to check out the latest floor plans from Alliance RV. We also ran into the same salesperson that sold us our last RV. And as you can see, Ann is looking at the new Valor 41B13, which has the outdoor kitchen. And they also got a floor plan with a side patio, which is game changer. And it also feels like a luxury apartment. So come along with us as we search for that new RV. Hello, YouTube family. If you haven't already, go ahead and click like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that way you'll be notified on the upcoming video. Roxy and I decided to drive to Memphis, Indiana to Walnut Ridge Family RV to look at some new floor plans from Alliance RV. This is the hitch I was talking about. All right, thank you. But I want the fifth wheel instead of the gooseneck.
And the tumbler.
I work with, this is my sales manager.
Hey, how are you?
We purchased from the Newcastle store, one of the best in Alliance.
You did? You guys remember who you worked with?
It's been since 2021.
What's your name?
Ronnie.
What is it again? I didn't hear.
Ronnie.
Showers. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that was me.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at when you were sitting over there.
For real?
Yes.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Did you buy a Paradigm?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Ryan Zickafoos.
That's it.
That's me.
Zickafoos. That's the last
That's what
name.
I was looking at.
Yeah.
I was like, kind of looking
Yeah.
at, but you don't want to call him out if it's not the right
Yeah,
person.
they shipped me down here to run this store.
Oh.
So,
Okay, well,
so
good.
how you like it down here so
I
far?
love it. I love the community. I love the
Yeah.
store. I mean, we're not as massive
Big as the other one.
store
Right.
up there, but
Right.
everything we do is modeled after them. But hey, we'll serve you down here. So
Yeah.
Devin does a real good job for us. But yeah, I remember because I think you started working with Jess.
Yeah.
He ended up having to have knee surgery.
Yeah.
I had
Yeah.
split my Achilles.
I remember that.
Oh, okay.
We were leasing out to the classic car company, and then they broke their lease early. So we were always going to turn it into an indoor showroom, but
Oh, okay.
ended up doing it sooner than later, which works out for me. I've been happy.
Nice.
Right.
Since on the outside, they've gone to the Kurt touring coil suspension on it.
Mm-hmm.
It's got the Cooper H-rated tires. They've also upgraded the.
The first RV we looked at was the Alliance Paradigm 395DH, which stands for Double Suite. Front Master Suite features a king bed or queen optional, smart TV, a washer and dryer prep, and an in-suite bath with a shower and a full-size sink, creating a true residential retreat on wheels. At the rear, the first private suite includes a cozy bed, smart TV, charging ports, and a multi-purpose loft, and a full bathroom with a 30-inch by 36-inch shower.
Oh, for the desk. That's what she was saying.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you can use it, put the chairs this way, you can use it looking out.
So what do you think?
It's a 2-bedroom, definitely a 2-bedroom.
Oh yeah.
But my space, I ain't feeling that. I like my kitchen because this is normally where I be. So
Yeah.
it's half of a kitchen, half of a living room. I don't have my big full window right there and then look out the back part. Yeah, it'll take some getting used to.
Yeah. Anytime you're doing the 2-bedroom ones, it seems like they.
Take
Yeah.
out, the
Smaller
main
kitchen.
area that you need, the kitchen.
Oh yeah. Absolutely.
What is that one down there?
That's the 340 RL. That's our real living. And this is the Valor 41 V13. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. Welcome to Ann's Outdoor Kitchen.
That's Ron Outdoor Kitchen. The all-new 2026 Valor 41 V13 is a luxury fifth-wheel toy hauler built for extended travel and serious adventures. The camper's rear patio is a standout feature, which is equipped with a comfortable outdoor seating and a large awning allowing you to soak up the sun and seek shades as desired. And this toy hauler also has an outdoor kitchen, which is Ann's favorite. This toy hauler has a 13-foot garage, which can include a half bath. The Alliance Valor 41B13 toy hauler is the ultimate home away from home for anyone seeking adventure and relaxation, whether you are a seasoned RVer or just starting out. This toy hauler is sure to exceed your expectations. So we went outside to the RV lot to take a look at one of the Alliance's new floor plans. Okay, so we are going to see the Alliance Paradigm 388 SP, which stands for the side patio. Unfortunately, they don't have the 385
We probably
here.
should have came out
That's
here
one I
first.
really want to see, but
we
that's
can warm it
okay.
up.
You know, we
Yeah.
actually like the last Valor, the Alliance Valor, if you will. I think that's the 41 V13, but that has potential because we like that side kitchen. Well, and she likes the side kitchen too, so. All right, I think we're here. The all-new 2026 Alliance Paradigm 388 HP side patio is a luxury and spacious RV designed for comfort and entertainment. This model also comes with the new Kurt Touring Coil suspension system. One of the standout features that Ann and I truly like is the expansive side patio, which provides a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. lakeside patio is perfect for entertaining with plenty of space for outdoor furniture and breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The large windows and sliding glass doors allow for an abundance of natural light that's perfect for relaxing and socializing. Yeah, but yeah, this is
I mean, like this part right here, this is like, you know, both in the 310 and the 340, the same.
yeah, exactly.
We're living kind of, but then from here on,
Yeah,
You got a kitchen.
and
you could pop up
Move
a table
around
in here
and-
if
yeah.
you needed extra kitchen tops.
what's that? Oh, one couch, yeah.
Yeah, and this
Yeah, so one trifold sofa and that couch, and your two recliners.
And that's what I was saying about the 385 FL. The living room, like our 365 is in the back, but the living room is in the front. So just reverse it, the whole floor plan, but add on the master bath in the back versus just that one bathroom that we got.
So what we do is sleeping.
For the 385 FL or this one?
This.
I got an army cot. I can open it up. Here you go. Got plenty of rooms. Stretch out right here. Got a little cushion and everything.
You got one?
The new 2026 Alliance Paradigm 388 SP side patio is an exceptional choice, offering the perfect blend of comfort, style, and adventure. With its impressive features and luxurious amenities, this camper is sure to provide unforgettable experience for years to come.
My wife brought it to me. That's first class service right there.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. And hopefully you all will get that one in and we can come here and not have to go further out.
All right, YouTube family, that ends our tour right here at Walnut Ridge, right here in Memphis, Indiana, which is probably 10 minutes from Louisville. And unfortunately, the Alliance Paradigm 385 wasn't here, but we had the opportunity to look at the Alliance Paradigm 395 SD. That's the one with the front bedroom and the rear bedroom. And then we looked at the Valor, which is the 41B13. Now that one's nice. We liked the outdoor kitchen, that's for sure. And Roxanne, she definitely can attest to that. And then the last one we looked at was the Alliance Paradigm 388 SP. That's the one with the side patio. So, but I want to let Roxanne give you her thoughts about these floor plans that we looked at. So, all right, you ready to take over? And she got some help too, because she got a brochure with all the floor plans to help her out a little bit. All right, go on, take it away, Ann.
That's right. Well, as Ron said, we were that completes our tour here at Walnut Ridge RV. We looked at a few this morning, and I can say out of the three, I can pick two.
Okay.
The first one that we looked at was the 395 DS. I wasn't feeling that one. It took away from my kitchen. What can I do in Ann's kitchen if that kitchen is too small, right? So
Yeah, that's true.
the 395 DS kitchen was too small. Now the 388 SP has the side patio, the grill outdoors, the televator comes down. You can sit out on the patio, you can grill, watch TV while I'm in the kitchen, still sending food to Bay to cook on the grill while he's doing his thing.
Absolutely.
So of course, you know, Bay is doing his thing. So I like that one. Again, that's the 388 SP, you know. And then I also like the Valor, which is the 40 V13. You know, that one had a nice outdoor kitchen on the side. That puts us back in the mind to where when we were first looking for RVs, where it said, you know, the first thing we needed to have was an outdoor kitchen, which is for Bay. And then inside for me was separation. And then, you know, a nice size kitchen. And of course, the Valor has it all. Again, that's the 40 V13.
41 V13.
Outdoor kitchen, the back patio, you know, and you can do a lot in the Valor because, you know, in the back there, you know, you can let the beds up, turn it into a nice den where you can do your entertaining in there, then carry it on to the deck, you know, in the late evenings, you know, sit around the fire pit and everything and just relax, you know, because you have it all in one. You have the outdoor kitchen, you have the back patio, then you have the entertainment inside. So what more can you ask? So
I agree.
guess what's on the radar? The Valor 40 V13. Until we see the
385 FL.
the 340,
The 385 FL.
the 385 FL. You
Yeah.
know, see, I'm already excited because, you know, once you get to looking at all these RVs, you know, they all started running together, but it is
Right.
a few things of significance that stands out from each RV. So that was what you have to take into consideration as to what do you want. Goes back to the beginning: outdoor kitchen space, living space, storage space. You know, so what do you want? So, you know, we have to compromise with something. You got to add something and take away something. So in this one, it kind of like gives us all in one. So, we'll see. Not going to tell you which one yet. So right now we just browsing as you do when you're going through the mall and you see a lot of little stuff that they putting out, new stuff, you know, on the shelves, if you will. This is where we at right now. We just doing a little shopping during the mall of RVs. So again, you all stay tuned and we're going to bring y'all right along with us when it's time to make that decision.
Yep. So, and if you haven't already, go ahead and click like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so that way you'll be notified on the upcoming video. So, go ahead and press that button. Some people say smash it. I say just press the button. I don't want you breaking your mouse or your keyboard and like that. So, just press the button. We appreciate it.
On that note, I'm going to let Bay take us away.
All right. So there you have it. And I know our little thumbnail can be misleading, but we are in the market of doing an upgrade. So that being said,
you all continue to love and bond with togetherness, and we're going to bring you all on the next video. So ciao out for now.
Yep. And y'all know my line. Be blessed and safe travels. We hope to see you guys soon.